I just figured out how to make a unit require research to be unlocked. The first thing we're going to do is... Hello, this is me from the future. While I was recording this, I found an easier way to extract the files and edit them. So for this method, you don't need to extract the files at all. All you would do is take the Z uncompiled Lua, copy it, rename it to zluadlc1.scd, and that's all you have to do. Whenever you go to make an edit, you just open up the directory, leave this folder in there, the uncompiled folder, then you can edit everything as is, and it's all already uncompiled for you. Everything from later on in the video regarding editing the files is still the same. It's only now the file directory is slightly different, because we have that uncompiled folder, and we're using all of the uncompiled files. I was trying to do this the original method, which I'm going to cut out because it's useless now, and it was just inconsistent, it wasn't working all the time, and it was such a hassle to set up. Make the backup as usual, put it somewhere safe, but use this method instead. It's so much simpler. I already have the edits that I'm going to make, but I will still go over everything in this file. For the research.lua file, it doesn't matter where you put the stuff inside of this file, as long as it's in here. This file defines what a research name is and what it does. The way this file works is the first letter is the letter of the faction. The second letter is the unit type it affects. The third letter is the type of research unlock. Most of these are self-explanatory. However, time, energy, and mass appear to be unused. The CATS stands for categories. These are the categories of units that will be affected. What follows after categories depends on what type of research unlock it is. Also, some research has prerequisites. This just means that this research has to be unlocked before this research can be unlocked. Here's the unit that I will be adding. In default build restrictions, the way this works is slightly different than you would expect. Units here are added by categories, dot, and then the unit's folder name. This is not actually a category in the unit's file. The last file that we need to edit is in UI. Research layout. This is the file that controls the research UI. The way it works is by the name that was defined in research.lua. The icon is just the texture that appears over the unit's unlock button. Column is across horizontally. Row is downwards vertically. The column and row both start at 1 and can be at most 9, because the research grid is 9 by 9. And 1 is the top left corner, while 9 is the bottom right corner. One other thing about the research layout file. The first bracket is Cybran error. You have to find the correct faction and unit type.